just like that. Today is a very special day for me, and I am having a nucleus group, and we are starting under this group, nucleus production house. We are coming as a nucleus models also. We are coming as a multiply surprise element, and there are lots in Wonder War Room, and with the wonderful team I am having with me.
कॉन्सेप्ट एक्चुअली कैसे डेवलप हुआ देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो आइडियाज और लोगों का जो थिंकिंग है इट शुड मैच एक्चुअली
Yeah.
हाउ डिड यू कम अप विद दैट
So it's just like that. It's just clicked, and it's a really hard work, and it's something like that. We are just covering every possible area, possible venture under one roof.
प्रोडक्शन हाउस कहा तो उसमें व्हाट आर प्लान देयर इन प्रोडक्शन हाउस सीरियल्स रहेंगे फिल्म्स रहेंगे न्यू टैलेंट को थोड़ा
Yeah, we are open to talent. We are open to films. We are open to serials also, and plus we have already done lots of dramas and indirect productions to everyone. So now we are coming directly on it.
इन प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में भी लाइक टू टॉक समथिंग एग्जैक्टली इनिशियल प्रोजेक्ट आपने लॉन्च किया
Regarding nothing, it's just today we are just revealing ourselves on the industry that we are coming on the nucleus group. So after that, another things will be we are going to tell you.
बात करें तो क्या क्या मिक्स होंगे फैशन मॉडलिंग फिल्म्स
Yeah,
क्या क्या रहेगा आपको एक बता दीजिए
nucleus में is like that. Is going to cover up fashion. It's going to cover up models. It's going to cover up talent. It's going to cover up lots of creation events, and there are other activity centers also. We are planning to do it. So there are a lot of things coming under that.
asking you what will you be heading in the company आपका क्या रोल रहेगा
So I'm the director of Nucleus Lifestyle. I'm the director of the Nucleus Lifestyle. And I wouldn't want to reveal much of it right now. This is like a launch. So it's coming soon and you'll just stay tuned. That's what I want to say. Just stay tuned.
asking
There's a
you
lot
about
more.
your role in the company what do you have to say
I'm one of the partners, and as he already knows, he already said that we are a team, and we are some partners coming up with a very innovative concept, which is one of a kind, and we promise that you have never seen something like this before, but just wait and watch. For now, all we can say is multiply, wait and watch.
there is also competition in the market also so how are you trying to be a little different from them actually
When we say we are one of a kind, we have something which is not there in not just central suburb, not just western suburb, but anywhere in India. So there, I think we are eliminating all the competition. We don't have anything in the same league, so competition does not exist, at least for now. We are the pioneers, at least.
Yeah. This is something which a person has never seen and you will love it. I think everyone who is watching us right now is going to love this. You name it, we have it. Anything you want to learn, you will have it in this venture. So yeah.
See, they are really close to me, and it really means a lot to me when they grow. And when we do this, it means a lot of fun and all of that. And for us, it means multiply. We all fly together, and it really has a deeper meaning to it. So, all the very best and happy birthday!
Thank you.
now you are quite an experienced person actually as an actor you have also gone through your earlier days तो कुछ उनको अगर जरूरत पड़ी on the board या फिर किसी तरीके help how are you going to help
जैसे अब तक करती आई हूँ I am always there for you guys, anything and anytime. And they know that, so yeah. No, go ahead, go ahead.
आज की शाम उदय के लिए है इट्स हिज बर्थडे एंड इट्स अ सरप्राइज बर्थडे पार्टी फॉर हिम सो या दैट्स इट्स ऑल अबाउट एंड ऑल्सो देयर इज अ लिटिल टीजर वी हैव फॉर यू व्हिच इज दिस इसके बारे में डिटेल्स आपको कुछ समय बाद मिल जाएंगी फॉर नाउ इट्स अ सरप्राइज सॉरी
Like he said, coming soon, teaser है. So wait and watch आगे क्या होगा.
क्या होगा
आने वाले दिनों में हम क्या कुछ प्रोजेक्ट देखेंगे आप लोगों के क्योंकि हमने एक शॉर्ट फिल्म देखी जो कि
कांस
दुनिया
तक
के
जाके आए
कांस तक जाके आई
जी So yeah, 3 short films थी जो world level तक पहुंच गई. There's lots more coming your way. There is actually फिलहाल everything is under process. So we have our fingers crossed, and we have all our fingers crossed for all our projects.
All our projects.
And we're really hoping that it all falls in place, and you'll get not just one, two, a lot of surprises in one go.
How important do you this kind of platform is actually for the newcomer or who is in the industry? How much does it really help?
Are you asking me? No, go ahead. No, go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, what was the question again? I didn't hear you.
इस तरह का जो प्लेटफॉर्म होता
Yeah.
है वो न्यू टैलेंट्स को न्यू कमर्स को कितना हेल्प करता है लाइक जो लोग स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं व्हाट
न्यू प्लेटफॉर्म होता ही है सो दैट स्ट्रगल जो भी कर रहे हैं उनको हम सपोर्ट कर सके एंड जितना वट एवर बेस्ट वी कैन डू फ्रॉम आवर एंड हम लोग हमेशा करेंगे दैट इज
प्रोडक्शन हाउस है क्वालिटी यू ट्राई टू सी एक्चुअली maybe in the beginning also you must have gone through your days actually. What are the things actually what you looking for?
See, I really believe that if you want to get something from your heart and you want it with all your conviction, you get it. So that's what it is. That is what is needed.
Yeah, I would just like to say this is a very soft launch for us because the company is very new. It's a baby. Me and Uday, we decided. So that's a very auspicious day. It's his birthday, and I wished him before. And this company is very new. We've just gotten in the market, and wish us best of luck. And hopefully we do really well. And we want your support. And we'll be always be thanking you for the support. That's all, yeah. And enjoy. Have a couple of drinks, and have some food. That's all. And wish him birthday.
Siddharth, asking your role in the company, are you going to be heading the television, fashion, lifestyle? What is that your
Well, I can head everything a bit with their support. I think we have a very good team for us. So television, of course, because I belong to a television background, so I can head television. And fashion, yes, because I have a lot of friends in fashion. And more or less, it really depends on the talent we deal with, because talent is the key thing here. And yes, of course, as I said before, we would require a lot of support, because as you know, whenever a company is new, they all require a lot of support. अरे भाई कैसा है तू?
एकदम बढ़िया तो इस न्यू टैलेंट के बारे में अगर ये बताना चाहें क्योंकि हम आपके भी आने वाले कोई प्रोजेक्ट देखेंगे न्यू टैलेंट
क्या?
न्यू टैलेंट के बारे में अगर आप कुछ बताना चाहें क्या कहना चाहेंगे
देखो यार, ऐसा होता है, न्यू टैलेंट जब इंडस्ट्री में आता है ना, तो उसकी इतनी कदर नहीं होती. तो हम वो लोग हैं जो न्यू टैलेंट की कदर करना चाह रहे हैं और पुराने टैलेंट को साथ में जोड़ के चाह रहे हैं. तो हम चाह रहे हैं कि सब लोग साथ में जुड़े और एक अच्छा काम करें. उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं चाह रहे.
थैंक यू सो मच
थैंक यू.
At the same time, I would like to tell you, we started a company in Nucleus, where I started with the models, foreign models we started getting into India. There's so many models already in India, but we started some different way. We are trying to make like a model boutique. Hope so we are going to make it much better and very good. Thank you.